Firearms and weapons attacks are thankfully rare. However, in the unlikely event of an attack at your workplace or elsewhere, being prepared and knowing how to respond is important and may save lives. Hotel guests and tourists may look to you for help, so this film will give you simple and straightforward advice on what to do if an attack occurs. It's an opportunity for you and your colleagues to plan your response, minimize the risk, and help you to stay safe.
So I don't know if you're interested, but there's lots of slides for the kids. So the coach leaves about 12. It's already organised. All you have to do, just bear with me 1 second, guys.
If you hear gunshots, think about your safest option. If there is a safe route, run. This is the best option.
We have to get out of here now. We can get out.
Think about your escape route.
That way, that way.
Act quickly. Leave belongings behind and insist others go with you.
Not leave the bag, leave it.
Don't let their indecision slow you down. Ensure people move away from gunfire, not towards it.
Everyone, there's been a security situation. You all have to leave the lobby immediately. Please, madam, please go. Leave the building immediately.
Once you identify a safe route, run. Make sure your route doesn't put you in the line of fire.
No, not that way, please. Come with me, please.
Consider your exits and escape routes. If your escape route is no longer safe, find an alternative. Avoid dead ends and bottlenecks.
No, it's a dead end.
If you can't move to safety, then hide. The best places to hide with protection from gunfire will have a solid physical barrier between you and the attacker. Lock yourself in and move away from the door. Barricade yourself in if you can. Turn your mobile phone to silent and switch off vibrate. Stay as quiet as possible. Don't shout or do anything that could give away your hiding place. If your escape route is still safe, get as far away from the danger area as you can. Only when you are safe, call the police. Make sure you have the correct number for them on your phone. Tell them clearly where the attack is happening, where you are, how many attackers you have seen. Describe the attackers, their clothing, weapons, direction of travel, casualties, and anything else you think is important. Try to stop others entering the danger area, but only if this won't put you in danger.
Quickly. I don't know how many casualties there are. They came from a terrorist and then one of them went towards the
When the police arrive, they will be armed. They will deal with the immediate threat first to prevent further casualties. This could take some time. The police may be unable to distinguish between you and an attacker. They may treat you firmly. Do everything they tell you to. Don't make any sudden movements or gestures that could be seen as a threat. Stay calm. Don't shout or wave, and keep your hands visible so they can see that you're unarmed.
One of them went towards the hotel and the
The police may ask for details about the building, the attackers, any hostages and casualties. Only when the threat has been neutralised will you be evacuated to safety. You can plan possible escape routes and hiding places in advance, and take time to become familiar with your environment. Where would you run? Where would you hide?
Keep going! Quickly! Keep running! Come on! No, we're safe now.
These kinds of attacks are rare, but having a plan, knowing how to respond, and being prepared will help you stay safe and could save your life.